So this is the back garden. I won't point out every single plant, but the bigger ones that we have, I'll talk briefly about. This is a Pinto palm, and it comes from South America. And it's a lot different than a lot of the ones that we actually have around this area. Most of them are Mexican fan palms and Canary Island date palms. And this one grows pretty slow. So it's been in the ground for about 8 years and it's still not have a trunk yet. So hopefully maybe in 15. And you can actually see one of the fan palms there, right in the middle, way in the back. This is called a honey bush, and it comes from South Africa. And the nectar-eating birds in South Africa make use of the flowers. I haven't seen hummingbirds here really go after the flowers, but the nectar is actually really interesting. It's this really dark brown, almost black looking liquid, so it looks a little bit like tar. And then this is an avocado. It's called a Mexico avocado. I haven't gotten any fruit from it yet. I think I need another tree that blooms. Essentially you have two types of avocados. You have one that's receptive to pollen in the morning and sheds pollen in the afternoon. Another that sheds pollen in the morning and is receptive in the afternoon. So I need another type. And you can see the flower buds and the new leaves here. And this is called Isomeris, and it grows everywhere from the deserts here in California all the way out to the coastline. So even here it's doing pretty well. It's pretty fast growing, and it actually got cut back about by half a year ago, and then it's grown back. So very fast growing, not really an elegant plant, but I like how it looks, and it flowers almost all year long. And actually it has these kind of weird balloon-like flower seed pods, and you can kind of see a dead one right there, but they look like big balloons. And then this here is called a Courteline, and this comes from New Zealand, and they grow into tree-sized plants. I guess they're not technically trees, but I call it a tree because they can grow to about 30 feet tall. And they're pretty fast growing. The flowers actually smell like jasmine, which is really nice. And then this plant here in the middle is called Mataliha poppy. And these are from Southern California. And if they really like a place, they'll spread out pretty far, send up shoots all over the place. They're really hard to grow from seed, so most of them are usually spread by cutting up the clumps, and they root pretty easily if you get a rhizome.